Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here at YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over how you would be able to get inside your vehicle. Say that your battery is dead, either your remote battery or the car battery itself, and so how you're able to unlock the door to be able to get in to pop the hood, to be able to jump start it, or to be able to get in and then manually use your key to start your vehicle. So this is your electronic key fob, and you hit the buttons and it's not able to unlock the door. So this has a little tab right here on the back of the fob that you're going to pull, and then you can pull out the manual key, and then you'll have to insert it in, twist it to the back, toward the back, and that will unlock your car. And if you need to lock it, this one, you have to flip it upside down the other way if you need to manually lock it for whatever reason. But that's how you would unlock your door with your manual key if either battery is dead and it's not working for you. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.